we're going to answer the question about what is SEO, or search engine optimization. And most of you probably do know, or as I figured out, most of you don't, because when I'm around the world and talking to people, I usually get this question again and again: what is SEO all about? And it has a really simple answer actually. And the answer is, it is the craftsmanship that goes into making your content rank above other content in the search engines. So it's all about understanding how the main search engines work and how they think, how their algorithms are programmed in order to read content, because their objective is to deliver as good content as possible to people who have been typing in little searches in their search engines. So that is what search engine optimization is all about. Figuring out how Google, Yahoo, Baidu, Yandex, and all of those other search engines out there, how they work, so that you can format your content for it to meet the right type of searcher. That's about it.